So Honey Baby took the little car to town, and since I don't have a pickup truck, I just thought, well, I guess I'll make a daily drive out of the Rambler. So went up to the lumber store and got us a couple of shelving boards. Oh, they fit in there right nice. I'm going to pull them out and whittle them down to the correct sizes. And let's see if we can't fashion up something nice for Honey Baby. Hold the joy. Yeah, this is make kind of soft. Workable soft. Which one? Alright then, let's go have a look and see what we think. Now I haven't attached those. In other words, they're still removable because I'm gonna have Honey Baby give me the final say on them. I'm also gonna give her the option for whether or not she wants to paint them or what she wants to do with them. She might decide she wants them trimmed down shorter, longer, higher, lower. You know, all those possibilities.